No. I'm texting. Your mom's going to be ashamed when she sees this.
Dude!
Like you ruin your life right now.
I know, don't! Don't do it!
I don't even know what the video will about.
Fucking egg Asian.
Hey, this is smelling the man.
I got the video scenes like you don't even know what it is about. I got it.
Yes.
I got it, dude. Edward, stop! I'm sticky in the face.
You niggas having a blast, bro. No.
I bought an n64 like 15 years ago, and I remember they said I have lifetime warranty on it, and I was wondering if that still exists because I was playing my n64 like 2 hours ago. I was playing Smash Bros and it crashed on me.
So actually what I'm going to do is transfer you over to another colleague of mine who deals with Nintendo 64. Yeah, so that's the transfer here for you.
I have a question.
Yeah?
Can something actually be done?
Again, that I'm not entirely sure of.
Like, what is the percentage? What is the percentage of something actually like happening?
Well, you might personally.
I'll take this to the federal court, my nigga. Supreme.
There isn't actually anything like available for parts for the Nintendo 64. But again, it is like
It's the best console.
Nintendo 64, so they might be able to troubleshoot something for you, and they might have other solutions that are available.
Okay.
Yeah, are they going to make it online anytime
Yeah,
soon?
so that's the transfer here for you.
Okay.
Great. Just 1 second.
Okay.
Nintendo Consumer Service.
Okay. Yeah. I bought an N64 like 15 years ago, and on my thing it says lifetime warranty on it. And I was playing Smash Bros the other day, and I was in the last level, and the magical hand just started shooting at me. It was really weird, and it broke my Nintendo 64. And I was just wondering if like my N64 does not work at all anymore. I just wondered if like I could do anything about it.
Well, where does it say lifetime warranty?
Oh, okay. Well, it's on my N64 box, and the box it comes with, and where by the serial number, I remember. Well, I have it right here. I'm gonna read it to you right now. Hold up. Let me just get something. Okay, it says lifetime gold membership Nintendo, and then it says like I don't know. It's a long paragraph. Wait. There it goes. Lifetime warranty, forever.
It says that. Lifetime warranty forever?
Yes.
Okay. I think we should set up a return right away. Do you have the serial number on the back of the system?
Yes. It is NS221395848, and the 8 is like shaded gray.
Okay. Yeah, like 15 years ago? Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, 15 years ago to be exact. I am 30.
Alright. So, what's the problem exactly? Won't turn on?
It just it does not turn on. Like I was playing Smash Bros and like it was in the last level and I was about to beat it and the thing just started shaking and like it just turned off on me and like it did that before, but it would turn on back then, but now it just doesn't turn on at all. And I'm actually very disappointed because the Wii sucks and the N64 is like all y'all got left. That was like the best thing. Nah, GameCube wasn't that great either. The controls were too weird.
Okay. Well, if really, the light really isn't turning on in front of the system, there's some troubleshooting we can do over the phone if you want.
What's tragic?
That's tragic, bro. No,
I was like,
I don't know. I felt weird saying that. I felt weird.